when to meditate. You have to understand why it works and when to do it. The most effective time of the day to meditate is 2 times. When you wake up in the morning, your brain is in alpha state. Alpha state is when your mind is clear, not thinking about the past or the future. Why? Because your brain is very suggestible. When you go to bed at night, your brain again enters what is called alpha state. But when you're in alpha, you're more creative, you're more suggestible. All you need to do to meditate effectively is sit down, either in your bed or in a chair, and close your eyes. Focus on your breathing, that's it. While you're meditating, listen, instead of saying, I want this, say, I'm so grateful that I have whatever it is. And the more that you do that, you'll notice the thoughts and the desires, the dreams, everything that you want will become more clear. Much love, I love you. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin.